My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Huge drop today, we have the Yeezy 350 Carbons. Boom, got one. That one on NSB. Two Yeezy 700 Arzareth Crocs just came in. Color is absolutely beautiful. Tomorrow we have a ridiculous release. We got Supreme box logos. Huge drop today, we got the Supreme box logos. Stock numbers are gonna be big, but I would be very surprised if everything went smoothly. Because when it comes to Supreme box logos, something unexpected always happens and everybody ends up panicking right at the release time. But I did set up as much as possible. Hopefully we can get at least one of these. Changed it? Okay. Okay. Payment errors. Safe mode, hybrid mode. What modes am I running?
Safe, hybrid.
Yeah, I'm doing the same thing. I'm doing the same thing these guys are doing. Why am I getting? It's live, it's live. Skip instructions. Okay, let's go. Buy now. 250, confirm, submit. I'm gonna do it on my cell phone now. Sold out?
Fuck.
What do you mean? Impossible that it's sold out. Dude, no way, bro. It's saying there's still more available, but I'm getting sold out.
Me too.
Dude, I was on it, on the dot. Not my day today. I was like so sure we were gonna hit. Man, yesterday was just so much pain. The releases yesterday was handed to me on a silver platter. Best everything, the best information, the best team to help me out. I couldn't pull through. I couldn't do it. And that's the thing that sucks so much about it, is because those releases, the BOGO release and the Union release, was so easy. And I couldn't even get one checkout. I usually don't care all that much when I take L's, but yesterday really hit different. As far as Supreme was concerned, I was using 40 different unique profiles. I was using 3 bots, 3 of which did excellent. Had Mech, Velox, and Kodai, nothing. And then when it came to the Union Jordan release, I was on it right on the dot, and I was on it at 99%, and then I tried to check out and it was sold out. These stashes usually last for a while, but this one is a bit more limited, but that's still like no excuse why I took an L yesterday. Like, oh my gosh, I just feel so terrible. But anyways, today we do have a new opportunity for another L. We have New Balances releasing in about 1 hour. These should be a little bit tough, but we're gonna go for it.
Hey, this shit wavy.
I get one? I did, I got one. Order confirmation. Damn boy, I got size 10 silver. Apparently these were really limited. Got one. Earlier today I went for the Jordan 3s because a buddy of mine said he wanted one. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get his size, but I was able to secure one. That drop was actually pretty hard, which I did find surprising because that drop was actually pretty hard, so I am happy about the results. Resale prices on those aren't too crazy, but it's still profitable. Anyways, we did have some shoes that came in. We got 3 Yeezy 350 Carbons in a size 12, one in a size 9, and one in a size 7. Prices on these aren't looking too good right now, but I do have some buyers, so I don't really have to worry about it that much. I won't be holding on to these, maybe a few, but other than that, I am gonna try to get rid of these as fast as possible. Got these shoes that came in from the other address, but there are a few shoes that I do want to take a closer look at, and one of them is going to be these Dunks. If I'm not mistaken, the swoosh is rubber. I don't know, it feels like rubber to me. Very interesting texture. Anyways, fire shoe, fire colorway, amazing. These are size 9.5. And then we have the padding New Balances. When I saw the pictures for these, I was like, man, like this is going to be purely for resale. I think the shoe looks disgusting, but when I opened it, I was like, shoot, like these are beautiful. I'm holding it and I'm just appreciating all of it. But if I ever saw these on somebody's feet, I wouldn't think much of it. I think this is going to be another piece that I hold. New Balances almost always go up in price. There's so many New Balances that I've sold in the past where I'm just like, what, the price is that much? So yeah, that's why most of the New Balances that I've been getting, I just hold it. Something very strange is going on. As you see, I got a bunch of mids and breads delivered. Those actually came from my other address. Now I was thinking, why didn't they come to this address? After talking to a Nike representative, I was given a tracking number. So I go to the tracking number and I see this. Delivery exception, business closed, no delivery attempt. Well, I operate my business from my house, so it's not even a business. And then refused by recipient, and then returned package to shipper. Now, if you notice, there isn't even an out for delivery status, which usually happens. On this other screen, this is what a properly delivered package looks like. According to the status, it says on FedEx vehicle for delivery. Now, how can you say refused by recipient when it was never even out for delivery? How does that work? It's impossible. Alright, now here is the really interesting part. I click on this and basically these are the tracking details from New York back to the Nike warehouse, right? I scroll down a bit and it says 26 piece shipment. That means they are returning 26 orders that I made back to the Nike warehouse. These are Jordan 1 Bread GS's and Jordan 1 mid smoke grays, and 26 of them. That is a lot, dude. Anyways, we go down to shipment facts. Are you guys ready for this? I click on it and it says shipper reference fraud. What? But to me, Nike thought that these were fraudulent purchases. I did have many different billing profiles, but they were all shipped to the same address. Although I do have to say that all these addresses were jigged. So they aren't really the same, but it is going to the same place. It wouldn't be too far-fetched, like, if they figured out it was all the same address, right? Maybe Nike's onto me. But the thing is, I don't even go crazy with them. Like, some people get way more checkouts than me. Like, this really isn't all that much, but shoot, like, I'm actually pretty upset about this. 26 packages, that's a lot of orders, and every single one of these are quite profitable, but it is what it is. Today we have Crocs dropping. I'm expecting these to be really hard to get, but we're gonna be trying anyway. Let's give it a go.
This is Kiko.
Dude, I am so confused. What just happened? I hit 21 and the password page is up. I wasn't even prepared. I wasn't even recording. All I saw was just checkouts. I was just running on high delays. The password page went up and then all of a sudden just checkouts on checkouts on checkouts. Still copying. Like, how does this make any sense at all? Screw it, let's go for more. I have so many freaking checkouts. I am so lost and I have no idea what happened. There is a chance that all of these do get canceled, but I do have way more checkouts than I do cancel emails. So I'm guessing that a few of them are going to stick. Here is an update. To my surprise, only about 6 or 7 got cancelled and then the rest of the orders shipped out. Huge shout out to Notify for posting the variants really early so that I was able to set up way before they did the accidental drop, because variants were the only way you were able to check out with the password page up. I'm going to be honest, I have no idea how this was even possible, but hey, I'll take it. Speaking of Notify, we are going to be restocking very soon. The restock dates and times are on the screen right now. Last month, when we restocked the memberships, we sold out in about 20 seconds. So if you want to join my reselling group, then you need to be ready and you need to be fast. Good luck, and hopefully I can see some of you guys in there. No way, dude! I just hit a BOGO! Get the fuck out of here! What? Oh, yes, dude. Oh, fuck. Thank you, Velox. We got some Jordan 1s dropping tomorrow. Gotta prepare for that. Let's see how many we can get on the next episode.